Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. South Rustico is a small rural community on the north shore of Prince Edward Island, located about 30 kilometers northwest of Charlottetown. Surrounded by rolling farmland, forests, and coastal waters, the community offers a quieter side of island life while remaining close to popular beaches and tourist destinations. Its combination of agriculture, fishing heritage, and natural beauty has shaped the area for generations. The year-round population is estimated to be a few hundred people. Like many communities on Prince Edward Island, South Rustico welcomes a much larger number of visitors during the summer months as seasonal residents and tourists arrive to enjoy nearby beaches, campgrounds, golf courses, and Prince Edward Island National Park. Agriculture has long been one of the area's most important industries. Local farms produce potatoes, grain, hay, and a variety of other crops, while livestock farming also contributes to the local economy. The nearby waters of Rustico Bay have supported commercial fishing for generations. Lobster, oysters, mussels, and other seafood harvested from the surrounding area continue to play an important role in the regional economy. Fishing supports a wide range of local businesses, including seafood processing, marine services, equipment suppliers, and restaurants that feature fresh local catches. Long before European settlement, the Mi'kmaq people traveled throughout Prince Edward Island using its rivers, forests, and coastline for transportation, fishing, hunting, and gathering. Their presence on the island dates back thousands of years, and their history remains an important part of the province's cultural heritage. The Rustico area has one of the oldest Acadian histories on Prince Edward Island. French settlers arrived during the early 1700s, establishing farming and fishing communities that became an important part of Acadian life on the island. Although many Acadians were affected by the deportation during the mid-1700s, Acadian culture survived and continues to influence the region today through its traditions, language, music, and community events. One of the area's most significant historical landmarks is the Farmers' Bank of Rustico. Opened in 1864, it became Canada's first community-based people's bank. It provided local farmers and fishermen with access to financial services at a time when traditional banks were often unavailable in rural communities. The restored building remains an important reminder of the area's innovative history and strong community spirit. South Rustico is located only minutes from Prince Edward Island National Park, established in 1937. The park protects beaches, dunes, wetlands, forests, and coastal habitats that support a wide variety of wildlife. Conservation efforts help preserve these natural environments while providing opportunities for hiking, cycling, birdwatching, photography, and enjoying the island's scenic coastline. Housing in South Rustico consists mainly of detached homes, farms, and seasonal cottages. The area's rural setting and proximity to the coast have increased demand for homes in recent years. Average home prices generally range between $400,000 and $600,000, although larger homes, waterfront properties, and newer custom-built residences often sell for considerably more. Today, South Rustico reflects many of the qualities that make Prince Edward Island unique. Its Acadian heritage, productive farmland, connection to the fishing industry, and beautiful natural surroundings continue to define the community. Thanks for watching!